Hello everyone, hello teachers. So for today's video ay pag-uusapan natin yung bagong requirement na po bago ma-launch ang isang 5-1 Talk Teacher. Requirements na po ngayon yung self-introduction video. Starting August 1 of 2026, lahat ng nag-apply at processing pa sa kanilang application, hindi na po kayo malo-launch if hindi kayo mag-submit ng self-introduction video. Naka-include na po doon sa profile na dapat niyong i-complete upon launching. So, di ba, dapat nating i-post lahat ng ating mga credentials, including the picture, yung audio recording, at included na rin doon yung self-video introduction. Bakit ko to nalaman, teacher? Because of course, there is an information talaga. We need to remind all the applicants na talaga sila malo-launch if hindi sila magsasubmit ng kanilang self-introduction video. And also, nag-email kasi ako kasi I have 4 mga dapat na sanang ma-launch at under profile review na po sana sila. Yet, parang it runs 3 to 4 days na kaya lang hindi pa sila nalo-launch. So, yun. So, nag-email na talaga ako sa reach@51talk.com para na ma-follow up ko yung aking mga referrals. Yun talaga yung naging reply nila. Yung iba, kulang nang na-post na diploma at saka self-introduction video. Pero sa 4, talagang 3 doon yung may kulang ng self-introduction video. So, this is an information for everyone, not just only to my referrals, na dapat na kayong mag-submit ng self-introduction video or SIV. So, you have to complete your profile including your SIV para na ma-launch kayo dito sa 5-1 Talk. Tapos, when I chatted my mga referrals na ito yung reply ng pag-follow up ko, nag-submit agad yung isa kong referral. Now, after mga less than 24 hours, nag-reply naman agad na rejected. So, dapat talaga na mag-submit kayo because one reason there na dapat na po kayong mag-submit para mas visible po kayo sa mga potential students as you will be launched as new teachers of the platform. So that will be for the better you. You have to do your best for your profile picture, audio introduction, ayusin yung self-introduction video. And as you will create your self-introduction video nga pala, mayroong video requirements like minimum of 1080 pixels, yung resolution, then 16:9 landscape aspect ratio, tapos around 50 seconds yung preferred na duration, tapos quiet room, bright lighting, correct framing, teaching attire, and relax, smile, and be yourself. So, mayroon pang ibang mga dapat nyong i-consider, pero tingnan nyo na lang po doon sa ating portal kasi as you will start your self-introduction video, mayroon namang mga instructions. I hope na nakatulong po itong video for those who are processing their application. So, thank you very much. So, if you find me as the best person na mag-refer sa inyo dito sa 5-1 Talk, then just message me here in TikTok, Messenger, Facebook, YouTube, or immediately click on my referral link so I can see your name under my list of referrals. Or you can also comment down below how. That would be all for today. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye-bye!